Ready! Hi, this is me, Amal from Hair Design. I have here with me.
Hi, I'm Jane
From England.
From England.
Yes, we're going to show you today how we're going to cut a lovely, nice, short bob line hairstyle. Yes. So first, we're going to cut the hair. Easy, simple hairstyle. Yes, it's beautiful day today. Huh?
It's gorgeous.
As you see, Jane, how beautiful, lovely, nice hair color. It's natural, her own hair color. So we didn't color it. It's really nice, beautiful, easy. So we're going to show you how to have a lovely, nice hair bob line. A lovely, nice bob line. Yes. Okay, I'm going to turn a little bit so you can see this part. Let me see if this is clear to see. Yes. What we're going to do is here, comb the hair and cut the line. Beautiful, slowly. Very beautiful hair, bob style. Easy and simple to wear. Very nice. Beautiful. Lovely. This is the first line, and now we're going to put just a little bit layer here. So the hair will go a little bit up. Very nice, lovely bob hair. You don't need to do that much for the hair. Continuing the hair up the same. Turn it back, and we're going to turn it this side. I'll just show you now we go to the second part. A little bit here, just come back here and we see so you get more movement yeah, so this is simple. Okay, now I go here. Just a little bit from here. Yeah. We see. Yes. clouds here.
Yeah, and snow in England.
See, nice. Done. And that's Leslie.
Is it?
Yeah, she's This is Jane with the last finishing touch. I'm gonna show you the style how it is. It's lovely, nice, lovely bob line here on hair color. You see like that. I can show you the style. It's beautiful, lovely, nice bob line and very, very attractive. So I'm turn a little bit like this. See, very high, lovely layered here. They're gonna show to you. So Jen, if you can turn a little bit your chair like that, so people can see it. It's lovely, nice. Yes, you can turn a little bit. This is the side. It's lovely, nice, beautiful, and it suits her. And it's very, very easy and very nice to wear. Yes. So we have very nice, lovely, nice style. So more. So we can have very nice. And we're gonna turn like this side and more this side. Yes. Okay. So turn more. Okay, Jen. So do you like your hairstyle, Jen? Do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world?
Yeah, hi everybody in the world and also to my family. Thank you, Amal. My hair's beautiful as always.
Thank you very much.
Very pleased.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.